Laiba's Kitchen Vlog number 6, Healthy and Delicious Oats and Yogurt Breakfast Bowl. Assalamu alaikum, lovely viewers. I'm Laiba, and welcome back to Laiba's Kitchen. Today, we re-whipping up a beautiful breakfast that's both nourishing and absolutely delicious. My signature oats and yogurt fruit bowl. Perfect for busy mornings. It's a treat your body and taste buds will thank you for. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup thick yogurt, 1 banana sliced, a handful of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, a sprinkle of crushed nuts optional, cinnamon or vanilla essence for flavor. Preparation steps: 1. Prep the oats. If soaked overnight, they're ready to go. If cooking fresh, boil them in water or milk until soft, then cool slightly. 2. Layer it up. In a beautiful bowl, add a base of oats. 3. Add yogurt. Spoon on the creamy yogurt right over the oats. 4. Top it off. Arrange the banana slices and berries on top like a rainbow. 5. Sprinkle extras. Add chia seeds, drizzle honey, and a handful of crunchy nuts. 6. Flavor flair. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla if you like it aromatic. 7. Final touch. Give it a gentle mix or keep it layered for that Instagram-worthy shot. And that's it, Dustin. Our gorgeous oats and yogurt breakfast bowl is ready to brighten your morning. Simple, satisfying, and full of love. Just like every recipe from Laiba's Kitchen vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite fruit combo for breakfast? Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking with love. Allah Hafiz.